Hi guys, look at guys. Kita niyo na ang mga green chilies. Shopping na punta guys. Harita diri, let's go. Let's go shopping. Yes. Mamantay lang trabaho guys. Shopping na tapar me. Oh, look at the beautiful sunlight. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sabi guys, man. Yes, yes, yes. Nagnalipong mo sa pa ko. The sun is rising. Ginhawang sunlight. Ginhawang sunlight, guys. To the world. Dagan ng shopping, guys. Thursday na karon. Unya, Mother's Day na soon. Happy Mother's Day sa mga mothers, of course. Apel me. Anong naman ni din here? Maglagot siya tani. Okay guys, mag-shopping ta guys. This is our cart, ha? Parking sa tunga guys. See? Parking sa tunga, mag-shopping. Oh, bullseye. Aray. Ayan. Panadala, pag-parking mo na parking sa tunga. Guys, happy sa mga happy, yes, happy lang. Hala, kagwapa sa flowers guys. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Oh, there's a bee. Hawa guys, so paulit na ta guys. Let's go, mag shopping na punta. Yes, bahala na natin ang cart guys. Dinha na ta karon. So lang mo sa ta mag-shopping karon guys. Skippy. Skippy-doo. Yes, there. But let's go. So muli na ta guys. Nice kaayong panahon karon, but I wanna go home early. No more shop today. We're going that way. Oh, cloudy guys. Muli na ta guys kay gutom. Yes. Baka ha guys Baka kayo ang pinihon karon na fish. Does look like a fish? No. That's clouds.